for now, and there is an agricultural fair going on in Nyeri today, and its objective is to educate farmers there on new technology that they can make use of in their farms. Our reporter Raquel Mugai is there. Raquel, good morning. Talk to us about the fair and perhaps why it's important for the people of Nyeri.
Yusuf, a very sunny morning actually here from Nyeri County, very different from the rest of the weeks that have been really cold. But at least farmers will now get to enjoy this new, this open day, given that it gets to bridge the gap that has been there in terms of extension services. Now remember, in the country, farmers across the country get to face that challenge in which you get one extension officer serving at least 3,600 farmers. But with this kind of organization in which this kind of open days, farmers at least get to enjoy this free of charge. They can be able to interact with a lot of seed companies, a lot of people who get to offer new technologies, fertilizer companies, just to get to engage on how they can be able to improve their farming. But so far, so good. At least a number of farmers have arrived here at the Wambogo Farm Agricultural Training Center in Nyeri County. A lot is being showcased. We do have at least 150 exhibitors here, ranging from those with milking technologies, those from seed companies, those from fertilizer companies, as well as one thing that is very major is that apart from the fact that those farmers that come here getting to have their soil tested, getting to have that knowledge, those who are into maize farming will also get to benefit a great deal, given the effect that has been there, the armyworms and the diseases. They can be able to interact with the farmers who will be here as well as the exhibitors just to get to learn more about it. But right now I've been able to pass through a few stands here and there, but one thing that has interested me is the canola seed. I'm pretty sure Yusuf probably might have heard about canola oil, but you probably do not understand where exactly it's, how it comes about. By Godfrey Kigomo, who's just going to tell us briefly about it exactly and what exactly he does, and if it is his first time to be here. Thank you so much, Godfrey, for joining us here on KTN. Please tell us, is this your first time? And exactly, you can also tell us about the canola oil that you have come here to exhibit.
Okay, thank you very much. This is not my first time to be here at our Wambogo Farm. Actually, this is my third time. And we have been coming here to showcase canola. That is how it is planted and how the oil is extracted from the canola seeds. Yes.
And when you talk about being extracted, is it a matter of using machines, or how do you get to press the canola oil from the seeds?
Yes, we use a machine. That is, we use a process called cold pressing, whereby after harvesting the seeds from the canola plant, the seeds are dried, then they are put into a machine. They are pressed to produce canola oil. Yes.
And so far, given that this is not your first time, how has this Farmers' Day benefited you as one who's playing in the agricultural sector? What benefit is this open day to you, and what do you look forward to at this point?
I can say this field day has been so beneficial to us because we have been looking for farmers to grow canola, to train them how it is grown, because we understand that very few farmers know how to grow canola. So when we come to this field day, we interact with so many farmers who are interested in growing this crop. We tell them how it is grown. We contract them to grow for us. Yeah.
Just for those who do not actually understand where exactly they can use canola oil, what are the benefits of the canola oil?
Okay, the company that I work for is called Hillforce Industries Limited. That is health food stores. We major mainly with food that are beneficial to the bodies. So with canola oil, it contains omega fatty acids. That is omega-3, omega-6, and omega-9. So it is a vegetable oil that can be used for cooking, and at the same time you can use it for salad dressing, and you can take it raw with a spoon, just like you do with the cod liver oil. Yeah. Yes.
Okay, thank you so much. Hoping to learn more exactly from your stand and where you've been. Yusuf, just to give you a brief of exactly how canola oil looks like, this is a bottle in which we got from his stand just a few meters away from here. And this is a canola oil that is being pressed, no machines used, no additives. And as he says, you can be able to use it, take it like that, the same way you do with other omega oils. And one thing is that he also mentioned to us is
Thank you, Raquel, for that. Of course, that is Raquel coming to us all the way from Nyeri, where that agricultural show is still taking place there in Nyeri County. And that report from Nyeri County takes News Center to a very short break. But when we come back, we still have a lot more